Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for Photoreceptorcell, and in this how-to guide I'm going to show you how to apply a slick keyline border. Now, as I say in every tutorial or guide that I do, we're going to start off with Command+J. Let's duplicate that background layer so we can work in a non-destructive layer. So if we do mess it up, we can delete this and we can start again and we haven't ruined our image. So first things first, we want to make sure that our background and foreground are set to black and white. Hit D on the keyboard and that will automatically make that so. What we're going to do now is we're going to select this entire image. So if you hit Command+A, that puts a nice selection around the image. In fact, let me deselect that. First of all, what we're going to make sure that we do is we know the size of our image, because that will have a bearing on the size of the pixels we use. Now this is obviously a very big file. We can see here the width is over 6,000 pixels. So let's cancel that. Because we know that, if we select our image, go up to edit, down to stroke, we're going to go with 100 pixels. Now it's a dark image, so I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, make sure the opacity is at 100%, and now on this I'm going to leave it at center, which basically means the width of our border is going to be at 50 pixels. If I go inside, it will be 100 pixels inside, outside 100 pixels outside. You get the idea. So because I'm going to go center, it's going to cut that straight in half, and I'm going to go 50 pixels inside. There you go. We can deselect that, and it's as simple as that. That is how you can create or apply a slick keyline border, making sure that all of your edges are uniform. Guys, very quick how-to guide on this one, but I hope you found it useful, and I hope you can get some benefit from it. And I will speak to you next time.